Hi there, I'm Scotty, and today I'm here to guide you through the ins and outs of connecting Preno with Lightspeed K-Series. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started, plus we'll walk you through the process of billing a Preno guest directly from your restaurant to their room. Alright. With Preno and Lightspeed K-Series working together, you can easily bill your guests for their restaurant charges right to their room. This makes things a lot easier for your staff and gives your guests a much smoother checkout experience. Alright, let's walk through the steps to connect your Preno account with Lightspeed K-Series. Okay, first, log into your Preno account and navigate to the settings menu. Under the integrations section, find and select Connect with Lightspeed K-Series. Click on Enable, which will prompt you to log into your Lightspeed account and authorize the connection. Next, you need to set up your business location in Preno. Click on Register a new business location, choose the location, set the bill to room extra name, and click Save. Repeat this for any additional locations. Now, jump over to your Lightspeed account. Head over to Configuration, then Settings, and select Payment Methods. Add a new payment method. Make sure the type is set to Charge to Room, set the PMS server to Other, and enable manual search. Also, don't forget to save your changes. Next, open the Lightspeed K-Series app on whatever device you're using. Click the three dots in the bottom right corner and then click the refresh icon. Finally, it's important to test the integration. Send a test charge from Lightspeed K-Series to a booking in Preno to ensure everything is working smoothly. Now that we're connected Preno with Lightspeed, let's walk through the process of billing a guest from your restaurant directly to their room. First, in your Lightspeed POS, tap on the big green Pay button to begin processing the bill. Next, select the bill to room payment method. Remember, the name of this payment method can be customized in the back office, so it might look slightly different in your setup. Now, search for the room number or the guest's name. Once you find the correct guest, select them to complete the billing process. The charge will then be sent to their booking in Preno automatically. Now, in Preno, you can view these charges under the Extras section of the guest booking. You'll see a visual indicator that shows the extra was added from Lightspeed. For more detailed information, click on View. This will open a PDF receipt of the transaction, which you can download if needed. Alright, thank you so much for watching this Preno video about our integration with Lightspeed K-Series. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team via the live chat in your Preno account. Keep an eye out for our upcoming videos, which are made to equip you with further tips and tricks for utilizing Preno to its full potential. Alright, until next time, bye.